Hey guys, so in this starting point, I've created a function called stringBits with a parameter called words. Then I'm going to create a loop. So I said for letters in range length of word. And I haven't used a shorthand for letters in word because I want to get that number. I want to have a counter from it just to demonstrate. If I print letters, I don't get each letter, I get a count of letters. So here we go. String. I'm calling the function stringbits, and I'm putting in the argument basu. So when I run this, I get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I printed, if I said take the word and give me the index of a letter, now when I run it, I get the letters. Okay. Okay. So the next stage, I'm going to use modulo. So if the letter, if you divided it by 2 and there was no remainder, then print the letter. So now let's see what we get. Oops, doesn't like that. Oops, is equal to. Okay, so there we go. I'm getting the first letter and the last letter. Nearly there. Just need to concatenate those into a string. Okay, so I've created a string variable called result, which starts off being empty, and then I'm gonna, every time I get that odd letter, I glue it onto the so result equals result plus whatever that letter is, and then after the loop, so not right at the same indent at the beginning of the for, I'm going to print the result. So I'm hoping to get BS. Let's see if that worked. Yay!